Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add video inside text using CapCut. This effect will look super clean and professional. And the best part is it's very easy to do. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut on your phone. And then next, just open a project. And then next, just choose any black background image or clip like this. You can get these black backgrounds on the CapCut library. And then next, once the background in your timeline, just go ahead and tap on text, and then just add text, and just type anything. This could be a name or maybe a title or any words that you want, and then just make it into a white color. And I recommend you to use bold font. For example, like this. For example, like this. And then adjust the durations like this. And then when everything looks good, just tap on export. And then go back to your projects. Delete the projects like this. And then next, import the video that you want to place inside the text. Like this. And then next, you can adjust the length or positions if needed. This will be the content that appears inside your letters. And then next, just tap on overlay, this one, and then just import the text clip that you exported earlier. This one, and then just place it above the main video. Adjust the size like this. And then next, just go to Splice. And then next, just simply tap on Darken, this one. So your video will instantly appear inside the text shape like this. You will see the video will basically fill in the letters like this. And then next, after this, you can just do more edits, like maybe add transitions, background music, or add effect, color grading, or many more to make your video more creative. And okay, and once you're happy with the results, you can just go ahead export again to save your final video. And okay, that's it. That's how you can add video inside text using CapCut in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.